What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. Let's do that again. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, today I'm going to my first football match. Reggae Boys versus Curacao. Oh my god. Do I know anything about football? No. Do I care about football? No. Do I care about World Cup? No. Do I care if Jamaica makes it to the World Cup? Kinda. Because I don't care about football, but I would love for my country to, you know, be a part of the World Cup. As I go. I don't even know what my chat saying. I don't want FOMO to kill me, so that's why I'm going. And I look cute, cause like, hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. I wish me to get a chance for clean my shoes still. So I'm hope nobody not look too odd. I did what I could and I could what I did. I wish I had a drink right now. I got this shirt last minute, and of course I had to rock my Jamaica pendant. I'm taking my little coach bag and I got my flag. Yes man, I'm feeling very patriotic doing this for my country. Jamaica land. I wanted to take my big camera to take pictures, but lo and behold, I checked and the memory card is not in there. Yeah, so I'm waiting on my friends right now. Carrie gone already. So I'm still in the car waiting. I've been here for a good 10 minutes now. Kind of annoyed. It is what it is. Years since I have stopped.
Watch you now.
It's been like 10 years.
We're going to show a detector on the game. So we don't want to be coming on the stadium. If you take a shower on the stadium,
like, go team, whatever. I don't know. Jamaica versus Curacao. We need to win this game in order to advance to the World Cup. Yeah. That's what we're doing. So I just came from a quest, pick up some bugger stuff. So I need to find out what's in these. No one they get something like this. Got some stuff for Enzo. Yay! Aww. I got everything in blue. A harness for him because he's been walking around with that raggedy collar for a while now. I also got a retractable leash, a doggy towel. Then I got this kit of stuff. So it comes with a brush to bathe him. I'm guessing this is a nail file. This is his toothbrush. Yeah, cause he must stink right now. Nail clippers. Ah, I'm so excited. It came with a comb. I need this because I feel like I'm have ticks, and yeah, I'd rather just comb them out rather than like trying to find them and pick them out. Like I hate doing that. I don't really know what this for. I don't remember what that is for. A little brush because he's shedding like crazy. So yeah, I'm happy. A little bummed because I thought his pee pads would have made it. I ordered doggy toothpaste for him, but that's That not reach it. I just hate how Shein just keeps splitting up everything. Like his pee pads didn't come, his little toothpaste didn't come. Anyways, we need to call this young lady, ask her what she did, and we can get her things. Guys, I've been home for I think about an hour now, and I've just been sitting in the car, and I'm supposed to go to Portland, right? I should have been from morning, but I just keep thinking about how much I need to clean my apartment before I leave. It's currently 2:43. I don't want to leave here later than 4 o'clock, to be honest. So honestly, I don't know how much cleaning I can do. Probably not much. I'll probably just have to rearrange some things, but like a proper clean like I wanted to do, I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm not in the mood anymore. I had to go to my shipping company, as you guys saw earlier. That was not in my plan for today, so that took up some of my time that I could have spent cleaning. I'm not in the mood to take on this 2-hour drive right now. Like, I just want to go sleep. I really truly wanted to go from yesterday, but because of the match, I'm gonna want FOMO kill me. Also, we lost. I mean, nobody in the score, but that's a loss. Waste of my time, waste of my money. I could have gone to Portland, save my money. But anyways, it is what it is. Here, what? I'm gonna go do all of that, and then when I'm on my way, I'll pick you guys back up. Good morning. I'm in Portland now. Here is Enzo, and this is what he did because he went outside. Yes, good morning. You look terrible. You need to be groomed. You need a shower. I think I'm gonna go into town and get you some shampoo and bathe you today because I got you some new stuff. Oh, you see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, oh my god. Went outside in the grass, and this is what he has been doing since him come inside. So I'm gonna have to sweep all of that up. But I think I'm going to brush him out first. If I could find that bag with all that stuff, I'll show you. Oh, you're very bad. Come here. I'm trying. Enzo, please don't play with me right now. So I got this brush because Enzo is shedding, and I really need to limit the amount of pet hair that is in my apartment. It's driving me insane. Come now, man. Guys, I'm trying to brush Enzo because he has not been brushed ever. And I'm not gonna lie, he has a little bit of matting that I'm not proud of. I didn't realize. And now he doesn't really want me to brush him. I'm sorry. It's okay. You know I'm not trying to hurt you. You have to brush your hair. Enzo, you have to make him sniff it every now and then, so you can see that it's not supposed to hurt you, baby. I'm sorry. Guys, whoa, I did not know this. I didn't even brush half of him out, and this is how much. So I guess I press this and it comes off. Wow. Oh my gosh. So this is the little stuff that you're seeing in there is from the grass because you ran up and down in the grass. Whoa, Enzo. No wonder I'm finding so much pet hair. Say cheese. Say cheese. I said, say cheese. It's the day that I'm going to leave, and my dad is going to cut down some banana for me in the backyard. So far, my God. So far. Jesus. Woohoo!
This is French. Off of your farm.
Yeah. Thank you very much for listening. There's more? You know them some come for that.
See bird, them I eat it already.
He's not planting. It's banana?
Yeah.
Big so? Oh dear. Yeah, look ripe.
Bye, have a great time.